Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing amazing. I hope you're having a beautiful week so far. We are currently in the last week of April 2023. You guys, I don't know what is going on this year, but the days are flying by so fast. You guys, enjoy each and every day to the fullest, to the max, because we will never get these days back. For those of you who are new to my channel, hello, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Selmia George. I'm a lawyer in Dallas. I practice immigration law, and I also have a YouTube channel just for those who like to have fun, who want to learn more about life in general, how certain things work. I also post prank videos. I post videos on law and law school, bar exam, just to help you through the process, because I was once in your shoes as a law student. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos. You guys, I need to do another prank video, right? Stay tuned. I'm having things planned. People have given me great ideas. Recently, I posted on my story, what are some great pranks to do on Nathan? So I got some really great responses. Thank you so much for everybody who responded. So stay tuned. Okay, so today's topic, 5 myths about lawyers. You guys, I am going to cover these 5 top myths about lawyers. Let's discuss it right now. I'm about to clear the air right now, okay? Are you ready? So let's just jump right into the video. The first myth. Lawyers need to be excellent public speakers. If you're not good at public speaking, law is not meant for you. That is a myth, you guys. That's not true. There are so many, you'd be surprised. A lot of lawyers are actually introverts. Like, they don't like socializing, they don't like being out in public, they don't like public speaking, and that's totally fine. Even myself, like, I'm an introvert, you know, and I can tell you, being a lawyer, a licensed lawyer, you do not have to love or be an excellent public speaker to be a lawyer. There are many different fields out there in law itself where you don't have to be in court, you don't have to present before a jury, you know, you don't have to present before a judge. So you're just merely in your office, just talking to your clients one-on-one, and that's about it. You know, so myth number 1, lawyers need to be excellent public speakers. That is false. Okay, so myth number 2, what is it? Lawyers need to be aggressive to be considered a good lawyer. You guys, this is 1000% false, okay? Like, you don't need to be aggressive to be considered a good lawyer. And if you think you have an aggressive personality, you're gonna be a great lawyer, that is a myth, that is false. Please don't go to law school based off of that, okay? So lawyers, you don't need to be aggressive. Actually, we're taught in law school, you know, to have an amicable relationship with opposing counsel, because your reputation, you know, the way you behave, that's on your reputation. Nobody wants to be known as an aggressive lawyer amongst other lawyers, right? Like, we want to, you know, represent our clients, but also be respectful and come to a mutual agreement. It's not all about bashing the other person, putting them down, like wrecking their life, wrecking their career. No. So, you know, for example, before going into immigration law, I was a trial lawyer for personal injury cases, right? And I can tell you, of all the cases I've handled, what I found is when I am respectful, when I am, you know, just being a nice human being, you know, to opposing counsel, they are more interested in speaking to you calmly and coming to a mutual agreement, that rather than just keep pushing the case, right? And I found I have successfully been able to settle cases for a good amount where clients were happy. And that's not because I was being aggressive. No, it's because I was being, you know, a very respectful lawyer. But yet, representing my client, working for what they want, and reaching a mutual happy settlement, right? So myth number 2, lawyers need to be aggressive to be considered a good lawyer. 1000% false. Okay, without further ado, myth number 3. Lawyers lie a lot. I addressed this in another one of my videos, and you guys could see how emotional I was addressing this. You guys, this is a common misconception about lawyers. If we lie, that's like the end of our career, you guys. Like, that is part of our ethical rules of being professional conduct, of becoming a lawyer. You lie, the BBO is coming after you, your career is basically over. So no, lawyers do not lie a lot. I mean, don't get me wrong, there could be lawyers out there who don't follow this rule. That is on them. But as a lawyer myself, I could tell you, I do not lie. We are told not to lie. It's part of our freaking ethical conduct not to lie. So no, lawyers do not lie a lot. We sign every motion, everything we sign, every correspondence we sign. We are under the ethical rules for lawyers, right? And that is, do not lie. Be factual. Do not submit anything fraudulent. We represent the client on a factual basis and not on assumptions or whatever the heck, okay? So you guys, lawyers do not lie a lot. If you want to be a lawyer, you don't have to lie a lot. You shouldn't at all, okay? So next time somebody says they want to become a lawyer because they don't want to lie, like, smack some sense into them and let them know that lawyers do not lie. And you don't have to lie to become a lawyer. Okay, on to myth number 4. Lawyers are rich. Oh, you guys, this is a common misconception. People think, oh, lawyers, they charge so much and they're so rich and, they have like the best life. Let me make something clear. There's a lot of lawyers, who are well off. They're doing amazing. They're living their best life. But there are also lawyers who, they just decide to work in a nonprofit organization, or they just decide to do more pro bono work, handle cases without charging a dime. And that's so beautiful. So it's definitely a common misconception that lawyers are rich, because everybody chooses their own path. Everybody decides how they want to handle and use their law license, right? There's people who join a nonprofit organization, people who join government jobs, people who start their own practice, people who, it's different for everybody. So the myth of all lawyers are rich, that is false. Okay, you guys, so the final myth I'm going to address, myth number 5, is a good lawyer always wins the case. You guys, this is a very important myth I wanted to address because that is not true. There are amazing lawyers who also lose cases, and that is a very high possibility, right? Because when you're presenting a case before a judge, when you're presenting a case before the government, when you're presenting a case before a jury, a lot of it has to do with their discretion. So you could have a very strong case, great evidence, you have a great legal argument, you submit it, you present it, and it gets denied. That is a very likely possibility because a lot of it has to do with the discretion of the reviewing person, whether it's a judge, whether it's an officer, whether you're part of the government, right? So this is a very big myth. A good lawyer always wins the case. That is false. The chances of that are very slim, you guys. I think that's hard for a lot of people to understand. They don't realize that, like, no matter how well an attorney puts together a case, there's always that possibility that it can be denied because of this, right? You cannot control everything. You cannot control everything. You can't control the jury. You can't control the judge, you can't control the government, no. But what you can do is put out the best case for your client, and that is what lawyers do, right? We put out the best case for our clients. Okay, guys, so these were the 5 myths which I wanted to address and get it cleared with you guys, okay? So next time you come across any of these myths, feel free to correct that person. You know, let them know, show them my video, let them know I'm a licensed attorney. This is how it is, you guys. These are the facts, what I gave you. So let me know, comment down below if you want me to do a part 2. There's so many myths out there. So comment down below if you want me to do a part 2, okay? Thank you so much for watching, you guys. It makes me so happy that you take the time to watch my videos. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for awesome, fun videos coming up, informative videos coming up as well. So I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your week, and I will see you all next week on Wednesday. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye, guys.